Salam, welcome to this video. In today's video, we're going to create a custom form for a SharePoint list. And we're going to time ourselves to see how long it takes. So this is the list over here. Let's have a look at the columns that exist in this list. So you have a title column, yes, no column, multi-line text, a choice column, and a dependent column. The dependent column we will conditionally hide or show in the form. Okay, so this is the list form generator over here. And when we're ready, we'll start the clock. So in 3, 2, 1. So for the dependent column, we'll hide it if the title column is equal to no. And we'll apply the conditions. Here we can test the condition. So if this is equal to no, then that disappears. If it's equal to yes, and that's it. And here is your code. So that took about 47 seconds about. So all we do now is we copy this code. We paste it in an HTML file. We save it. And there we can see what the form looks like. But now we have to navigate to the page where we want to embed the form. So yeah, I've created the page over here. We'll edit this page. Add a web part. Choosing that, pick content web part. We'll keep this isolated so that it doesn't interfere with the rest of the page. And you'll click on republish. Okay, so now we need to test whether this form will write to this list we created over here. So here's no items in this list over here. Let me remove this timer. Just 1 second. So here's no items over here. Now we go to the form. Remember we add a condition. If this value is equal to no, then this column should hide over here. So let's do that. We'll add no to the title. Dependent column hides. We'll tick that. Multiple line text. And let's choose Apple. Click on submit. And the item was created, or so it says. Let's check the list. There we go. Seemed like that worked. We can also add some styling to the form. So I've prepared styling for the form. So if we edit the HTML file, we can paste the CSS over here. And save. And as you can see, that looks a lot better already. So we go back to the page. We'll refresh it as well. We also have some styling over here. So hopefully I'll do a follow-up video soon explaining all the details of how this solution works. Thank you.